Hello, so this is how you fill out the curriculum ideologies. I printed this PDF. You don't have to print it, but it does make it easier for filling it in, or you can use the Excel sheet on your computer. So when you look at each of the sections, you would have gone through and read the statement and then numbered them however you felt their importance slide. So maybe this one, I'm just gonna put some numbers in you thought was like a 1, a 3, a 2, a 4. So you're just going through and numbering each statement. So I'm just gonna put some random numbers in. You would actually read them. But once you are all done with doing your numbers, you are going to see this plot here. And this is the same thing that's in the Excel document. So what you do is you go to part 1 of your questions, which is this little part right here. And I had a 1, 3, 2, and 4. So down here on the bottom, I'm gonna put 1, 3, 2, 4, just like this, in the same order I had them on my paper. And then I go to the next one, then I had a 3, 4, 2, 1. So same thing, 3, 4, 2, 1. Right on that paper there, 3, 4, 2, 1. And then you just continue to fill them all in. So my last one was a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, these are not my actual beliefs. I am just putting in numbers to show you quickly how to do this. So once you are done copying all of your numbers over, so I just did the second sheet. I did this one here. I filled in these numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to plot them. So you're going to go to part 1C, and we gave C1. So under part 1, you're going to find C1. Just put a little dot there. Okay. Then you're going to go to D3. So there's D3 for part 1. A2. So there's A2. I put a little dot there. And then my last one was B4. So I go to B, I find 4, and I put a dot there. And essentially what you do is you keep plotting these. So D3, so I find D3, put another dot there, C4, B2, A1, and you just keep drawing them in for each section. So now I'm gonna move on to section 3, D1, A2, B3, C4, and I would find that D1, A2, B3, C4. And so as you continue to plot each of your sections, I'm just gonna kind of make up the rest. You will start to see some trends. And then when you're all done with your plotting, you're gonna look at each section. So this is one section here. It's called the Scholar Academic. And you're gonna draw lines between your dots to make a line graph, just like that. Same thing, you're gonna go down to the Learner Centered, and you're gonna draw lines between each of your dots, okay? So in the end, what this gives you are 4 different graphs of your ideologies or beliefs about education and the purpose of it. So this was one, again, these are not necessarily my beliefs, I just made them up, but that's what it would look like. And so in theory, the one that you had the highest score in, so it looks like for my fake one, Scholar Academic would be my, like what I believe for my ideology. And then we'll just talk about exactly what these mean on Tuesday with Sydney, but if you can have them plotted and your graphs drawn, that would be helpful.